The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, what's up, viewers and subscribers? This is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. And before we start, say anything about, what I'm going to do right about now, you see? I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers within the parish of St. Thomas, that's at the country of Jamaica, you see me? Yeah, big up and respect to each and every one, you see me? Because right about now, I have pieces of videos that I'm going to present to you from a video that is out on social media. And, according to what had been said about the video that is out on social media is that that video shows of an incident that happened within the parish of St. Thomas, that's at the country of Jamaica. And according to what had been said on social media about the videos that I'm going to present to you, viewers and subscribers, is that these videos shows of persons working together to remove a light pole that had fell in the road and blocked the road after it had been hit by a motor vehicle. Basically, they say it's a truck. You understand me? Now, viewers and subscribers, these pieces of videos that I'm going to present to you, like I said, it is from a video that is out on social media. You understand? But I'm going to show you pieces of that video. And these pieces of videos basically is going to show what happened when persons come together and work together to achieve a goal or to achieve something or to do something. Is what I'm saying to you? Now I'm going to present these pieces of videos to you, my viewers and subscribers. Is what I'm saying to you? Yes, I'm going to put them together and present them to you so that you can have a better understanding as to what I'm talking about. And for those who might not like to see roadblock or certain things like where motor vehicle hit a pole or so forth, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright, now here is the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Without fear. Maybe him drop asleep. Maybe them tired, Chuck man goodly tired, Yes, this I go on, Say Chuck man. Yeah, Chuck man hit the light post and road,
Now we can't go yard. Gone left we out here.
Block off the road.
Burn.
Yo, test it if the current tonight, Virgin.
God.
Yo, load that, Virgin. Load that thing, Virgin. No, sir, no pan no one. So, at this I go on right and I pan side. At the moment, in the pan side, Yalas. St. Thomas, Rasta, big up yourself. Yeah, what kind of bush that?
Strong back,
Strong back?
Yeah,
what you good for?
Strong for your back, make your back firm.
So you been so? So you been so?
Me been?
Yeah.
Because me age very small, but
oh,
been.
Yep. Okay. Alright, cool. Bless, yeah.
Outside.
Oh. Oh dear, take your time. Don't touch the wire now, brother. Remember current still in night, yeah? Alright, cool. God bless. Oh, JPS here. Okay, cool. Well, look like something gonna happen now. Law them on the scene, lawman them on the scene. Sir, big up yourself. Sir, respect, my respect, sir. Yes, sir. Always on your duty. Respect. Yeah. Good police, them, you know? So we're live on St. Thomas events now. This is what's happening. Yeah. Quick response team is here, you know? Yeah. Yeah, man. JPS them there. See it? Yes, JPS team. We always can depend on them, you know?
No, I never know. I think I pass. That's right. I like to see them.
Yeah. The light post lick the chuck.
Yeah, tell us.
Okay, so our pressure on it, I don't miss. So that make your foot start pressure, you know, because you have to walk all the way to Kingston, you know, right?
Come on.
Wow. So the people them have to walk to Kingston now, you see this? Them people are dedicated to them work. You see them have to walk to Kingston. Look at that. You see? Look at that. I get promotion, mommy. Well, and them people are the patient people. You see them are wait patient. Them they don't know yes. Alright, we'll go back for the crime scene now. So we're live outside, yeah, respect. Big up, Brown, big up. Alright. 17 miles to go. Your foot them look like you can't make it. Yeah, it's nice with my friend them. When I make fun with my friend them, it's nice. Hello, sir. What's the purpose here?
No, I'm coming from.
We don't have anybody here. This is electricity. What are you doing here? Stay up there, some man. Yes. Respect. Yeah, see, professional man, them do the thing, you know. People want to big up the public service man, them, you know. You see me? You understand? Them do them thing, so we have to show them respect. Yeah, man. And the police, them. For them phone alone pick up. To call them. So that's two, big up yourself. See, I'm looking at the water, I take the truck over there, you know. Oh. Oh, evidence I look for. Okay, I understand, yeah. Okay, so they see the tire tracks them. They can't tell what year truck, what model truck. Based on the tire tracks. They can't tell what year truck and what model truck. You know no good, you know, no well trained, you know. Okay, oh, good.
Yeah. Yeah, call me at the picture.
Yeah. So we have to. So the man they work hard, man. Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up.
I pressure on the panels here before they know.
Boy, rusty up, man. Seaside, you know, seaside.
Yeah, step back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is a crime scene. So can you step back from me, maybe draw the tape? Yeah, we want to draw the yellow tape. No, no tape. Oh, the post lick him. Oh, so that means that the post. Oh,
man, I him lick it.
And the real man. Think of the post coming on the road and lick the truck, you know. So when...
All of the impression is.
Yeah.
I've been chuck. All of the impression.
Okay, cool.
I'll lick the post. Well, I say Assistant Thomas event live for you.
I don't like how that's something that make nice. Yeah, draw the yellow tape. Yeah, see me telling you it's a crime scene, you know. Super. So, listen, man. No, don't mess with me evidence. Can you step back from me, please? Sir, we're gonna draw the yellow tape now. Crime scene. Yeah, crime scene. I'm all the sponsor, yeah. Crime scene. We have pull the yellow tape. Yeah. We don't want to mess with the evidence, you know. Because we are one there for the light post, lick the truck or the truck lick the light post. Yeah, so yeah.
The light post,
Me I wonder the same thing, you know. Yeah, crime scene. Alright, so take your time. Yeah. Take your time. That's a man. Paul Bogle do it for winner, brother. So what? Yeah, take your time, man. Yes, Darrell Allen, big up yourself. Best mason in St. Thomas.
Brother, them around show me shoes them regular.
Alright, so well. Alright, people, thank you for your cooperation, you know. Alright. Now mess with the evidence, you know. You know, so the truck run gone though. The truck gone, you know.
Find the owner.
You gonna find it? Alright, you see me, I try to show you right now. Hold Dante and in the woman now, man, you know? Exactly, but them a move too fast.
Yes, ignorance.
You know, so this man tell her.
Put it back where he must cut it. Ignorance, man. Put the axe back where cut 1 ton of steel. Just cut the front way. Slide, back where he must cut.
Alright, watch out. Alright, him find an axe a while ago. And him broke. So him find a. I think I move like too fast still.
No man, this man have to catch for the
When he... Yeah, so them have to know them I do. Ladies and gentlemen, can you step back from me please? Can you step back from me please?
Gentlemen, just step back.
Please step
We're
back.
not sure what is going to become of this wire when they release the pole off.
Yeah. We don't know what go on, you know, so just step back.
Let's go behind the vehicle, please. Do get them behind the vehicle.
If you know I'm going to see the kids, step back. Nothing can do the police them in the sound, just step back. Remember? Because the police they not step back. The police they not step back. So police they well trained, you know. See that? You see that? Walk up fast, my general. Walk up fast. Cause we don't know whether way I go when them flash it. Okay, respect. Go on home to your girlfriend now. We're not making this. Alright, taking the time. Brother, this is
Drop on it.
It's not easy something.
Make a drop on it.
Eh?
They want to take it out, but the post drop down on it.
They will tell them so they don't have to cut the thing all off completely.
No, it's not cut off, but the wire them.
It's not good. That's why I rate the China them, you know, cause you see China them now can one little something come fly over and just 2 times and it gone. Yeah. But we believe in the slavery, you know. See that? Manpower. Big up the Florida crew. Washington crew, big up on yourself. Robert, big up. Yes, Dan. Thank you for checking on the live. Keep the live, you know. Make the people them know what go on. You know. Listen to the supervisor, man. The supervisor said, ice the post. What that? The light post? Yeah. Now one day for light post I gonna make it.
Post can't make it.
Light post badly wounded in us.
We must say if we could have just mash up that and done.
The light post with a jackhammer.
That compromise.
Yeah, see it now? Serious something now. You see that one had the danger, you know?
Yeah.
All your hot this take off, you know.
I say if you want a short trip, not very far, and just hang on to it.
Daddy, listen me now. Tell that daddy if he come down, man. Yo, daddy, hello. Come man, you can't manage just something there. A young people something that, daddy. Yeah, young people something that. Come down here, sir. You know see me now go up there.
Come daddy, come. Come daddy.
Stay on the other side there. This wicked and corona, you know.
This all of the same to you, well, come down here.
Yeah, man. No, nobody no get hurt. Nobody no get hurt. Remember now, you know. If the one that get one, lift them up in the air, you know, brother. Problem, you know. What the insurance? Them should have someone hold on this, right? Yeah. But them foot cannot. Well, at least me there. I saw me know so not professional, you know. Yeah, man, a long time I cheer for you, man. See that? St. Thomas. Yeah, man. Yes. Yeah, man, I want to say. Nothing got jokes on. Hey, you have to control the traffic now. Big up the police. You know, officer, why you let me through first, you know? Officer, me that right, why you let me through first, you know? Officer, this side first, you know? This side first, officer. Alright, everybody run to their vehicle, everybody want to go home. So, people, big up on yourself.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it, you know? If you look in one part of these videos, you see where, you know, these persons basically come together to move the pole from out of the road or to clear the roadblock. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. Unity is strength. You see me? And if you're looking at viewers and subscribers, if you're looking these pieces of videos that I just presented to you, police officers were at the scene of the incident. Yes. And you know, it's good to see how these police officers and the citizens of Jamaica within the parish of St. Thomas, you know, it's good to see how, you know, they are so friendly with each other. And, you know, persons arrive on the scene, you see me, and it seems as if these persons work with the JPS, and, you know, to see that these persons just live so they live so good, trying to fix everything that go wrong right there. You understand me? I said to you, all of these things I'm looking at in our viewers and subscribers. All of these things I'm looking at and I'm saying to myself, yo, you know, life can be good. Even though there is a bad part to this thing where, according to what had been said in the video, is that a truck hit the light pole and the light pole fell in the road. And you know, I understand that bad part of it. That's what I'm saying to you. But it's good to see that persons come together and, you know, clear the roadblock. You understand me? Yeah, then clear the road that had been blocked. You understand me? Oh, and I got no information as to if anyone had been injured or anything like that, you know. I have no confirmed information about anything like that. That's what I'm saying to you. Yeah, and I do not have any information as to exactly when this had happened either. You understand me? But anyway, this video is out on social media and it's being talked about. That's what I'm saying to you. So I bring it to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think and to also show you, you know, how persons come together and, you know, get this pole from out of the road. That's what I'm saying to you. And to also big up my viewers and subscribers within the parish of St. Thomas, that's at the country of Jamaica. You see me? And I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of my viewers and subscribers at the same time too. You understand? Don't think I'm going to leave you out of this. You see me? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.